Hey jumpers, Crossrope Athlete Jenica here to talk about the freestyle jump. So the question comes up a lot with new Crossrope app users when they see the freestyle jump pop up in an app workout and the demo is doing the boxer step. So the freestyle jump is not a specific step. Freestyle jump means you are free to choose how you jump for those intervals. So think of it as jumper's choice. If you're having fun and you want to just play around, then play with some tricks and footwork skills. If you are going for max burn, then push that pace, push those limits, and go hard. You can also work on rope control and speed during your freestyle intervals by going 5 to 10 seconds, like super fast pace, and then slow it way down to a nice easy pace, and then speed back up again. So that will help you develop more rope control to speed up and slow down without stopping. That rope control will allow you to go into your double unders, right back to your single unders, making that transition easier. So again, your freestyle might be at the beginning, all basic jump, and that's fine. Stick to a nice steady pace and see how far into those intervals you can make it. And when you need a rest, rest and get back to it. If you know one or two different footwork skills, say you know the basic jump, the alternate foot jump, and the jump rope jack, you could do a little combination of 5 of each of those, or 10 of each of those, or however you felt like it. You can sprint it out. Again, if you want to go for max burn, then you can go for that alternate speed sprint and try to make it through that whole interval. Pushing that pace all the way through. Another way to up the intensity, of course, is drill those double unders. Now, if you want to do a little combination of everything, you can do that. Whatever you choose, jumper's choice. That speed rope control drill, you could again, just like that sprint there, but slow it back down without stopping. So you would really push that pace for 5 to 10 seconds. And then slow it way down. And then speed it back up. And slow it back down. Whatever you would like to do, freestyle is free. Happy jumping!